jugando en la oscuridad. Bebé, yo quise verte así, mirando hacia aquí, hacia allá, buscando mi cuerpo allí. Bebé, mírame a mí, que yo también quiero jugar.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Blanca. So today I wanted to film my 2017 favorite beauty products, and I decided to, instead of just showing you guys them, I decided to actually do a full face using the products that I loved from last year. I saw a lot of people doing this recently, so I thought I would copy them and do the same thing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like it if you do, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not. And oh, my voice cracked. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so to start off, I've been using this Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Hydrating Face Mist. My mom picked one up for me. She got it, I believe, at Winners, and I've just been using it every day. And since it's winter time, my face is really dry, so I find that this really helps kind of hydrate your face. So I'm going to start off with doing my eyebrows. So I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and the shade that I use is an ebony, so it just looks like this. The brush that I use to do my eyebrows is from ShopMissA, and it's the AOA Studio E116 brush. I love this pomade because it's very pigmented, and I just find it really easy to do my brows with. So while I do my makeup here, I thought I would kind of, you know, chit chat. My holidays were really good. I got to go see my family, which was great because I hadn't seen them in almost 2 months. I think the last time I saw them was in October. And oh my god, I ate so much. When I got back, I was like 5 pounds heavier. But I mean, whatever, it was the holidays, so when it's the holidays, I feel like you can get away with eating a lot because, you know, January's around the corner and you're just like, I'll lose the weight once January rolls around. I love when, like, at work, little old ladies ask me all the time about my eyebrows. They're always like, how do you get your eyebrows to look so nice like that? What do you use? I was like, oh, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and she's like, oh, I've never heard of that. And she asked me to, like, write it down for her. I wonder if she ever, I never saw her again, so I don't know if she ended up buying it or not. I don't know. I love coffee. Okay, and then just to clean up my brows, just to make them more, I don't know, sharper, not that they really need to be, I use the AOA Studio F116 brush, which just looks like this. And I just use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I need a new one because I'm running out. And then I just move on to my eyes. So for my eyes, I use to conceal, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild one today because the Maybelline one is almost done. Oh, and the sponge that I use is from, sorry, it's from ShopMissA. It's only $1, and it's the one that's slanted right here. So I will include that down below as well. I swear it's even better than the Real Techniques beauty sponge. I don't set my eyes. I started not setting my eyes after Daisy Marquez mentioned how your eyeshadows just go on way nicer when you don't set them. Okay, so my favorite palette of 2017, I'm sure you guys already know and you're going to guess it. Let's all say it at the same time. Modern Renaissance palette. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. These colors, oh, they are just gorgeous. I'm going to dip into Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. I'm going to mix these two together. I said I was going to update you guys about my life, and I haven't really said much. Sorry, guys. What can I tell you about my life? It's been really cold lately. I'm sure it's been cold like everywhere. I live in northern Ontario, so it can get pretty chilly here. Mike and I, where we live, we don't have like a garage, so we have to leave our cars outside, and I feel like the winters are just so hard on the cars. When I took my car in for service, I think it was about, well, I've taken it since then, but I took it in like 2 years ago or a year ago, and so they were like, you know, you should change your battery, and I didn't listen. I didn't change it, and it lasted me like another year. But recently, since it's been so cold, I think it was like minus 42, and the next day I had to go to work and my car just would not start. So we had to call like CIA, is that what they're called? CIA. Why does that sound wrong? I'm pretty sure it's CIA, right? So they came and took my car over to the shop, and I had to get a new battery. Okay, so next I'm going to take Grwm, which is that orange shade, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, but not as high as the previous color. I'm kind of going to just keep it a little bit lower. Okay, so I'm just bringing that Grwm. I guess I'm going to do a halo eye. I don't know, because that's what it's kind of looking like. I'm just adding Grwm there on the outer edges there. So then I'm going to go ahead and add Primavera, which is this nice shimmery shade. Smack that on right in the middle. I really want a dog. I know that they're a lot of work and a lot of money, but I don't know, I really want one. Like, I want a little animal friend. You know those Facebook videos where people find baby squirrels like abandoned and they take them in and take care of them? I've always been like, oh, why can't that happen to me? I would so take them in and raise them. But since that isn't happening, I thought, you know, maybe we should just get a dog. And I really like those little French bulldogs. They're so cute. I think I'm just gonna add tempera. And I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. Did you guys come up with any New Year's resolutions? Because I really didn't. Next I'm going to just do my wing liner. And the liner that I've been using is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I love this because the tip is just like a nice little felt tip. And I always use my NYC liquid liner, but I find that creating the tail is a little bit difficult with the NYC, so I like to use the Stila. So I'm now using my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I love this one. I've tried a bunch of different mascaras, but I always tend to go back to this one. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today are from AliExpress, and they just look like this. They're full and just really pretty. I'm going to be having a lash haul soon. I ordered a bunch of lashes from AliExpress because I want to show you guys all the lashes that I get from there, and they're just stunning, absolutely beautiful. The glue that I'm going to be using to apply them with is the Huda Beauty Lash Glue. This glue, you guys, is so good. It dries completely black. It has no scent at all to it. And also, you know how the lashes, they have the glue on them? Look, it just comes off with your fingers. You can just peel it right off. There's no struggle to take the glue off. And it doesn't rip the lashes or anything. I just took all the glue off, and they're nice and clean, brand new. For moisturizer, I've been loving the all-in-one Egg Mellow Cream. I got it in a little sample package from Sephora, and I'm running out, so I don't know if any's going to come out. There we go, there. It's a brightening and anti-wrinkle cream, so I just put that all over my face. I went onto the website to see how much it is, and it's $40. So for primer, I've been always sticking to this one. It's the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Primer. I really like this because it just smooths out my skin and it blurs out my pores, and it makes my foundation last a really long time. For foundation, you guys know I love using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and I mix it with my Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I just love mixing these two together. I feel like it just gives me a really nice, flawless look. I keep hearing noises. Anytime I hear noises in the house, I get so scared. I hate it. Like, I don't really like being home alone. Anyway, so this just gives a nice full coverage. Like, it's so beautiful to finish. I just remembered I did make a New Year's resolution, but I didn't tell anyone. Maybe I told Mike? I don't know. Did I tell Mike? I said I was going to try to be more positive when it comes to work. Just certain things people do, not even just at work, just out when I'm out in public, like in general. People just, they just irritate me. Things that they do sometimes, it can get me going. So I'm pretty sure I told Mike that I was going to work on that. I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer because the Maybelline one running low, but I do love the Maybelline one and I love the Wet n Wild. Have you guys seen the comedian, oh shoot, oh I thought I got it on my shirt. Have you guys seen the comedian Sebastian? I don't know how to pronounce his last name. He's Italian. It starts with an M. He's so funny. We watched one of his stand-ups. I saw one on YouTube, and then he also has one on Netflix. He's so funny. I think it's called Aren't You Embarrassed? And I remember when I was watching it, like, I just kept looking at Mike and being like, see? I knew it! I knew I wasn't the only one who gets irritated when I'm out in public. If you guys haven't seen it, you should. It's so good. I was crying because I was laughing so hard. He's coming to Toronto in, when was it? I don't know if it's March or April. I feel like that would be so fun to go watch him. I'm going to set that with my Too Faced setting powder. I really like it because I have a lot of texture, especially on this cheek. So I decided to try a powder that, you know, isn't too cheap. I believe this is $40. And I'm glad that I did because it really helps with my texture. I mean, it doesn't get rid of my texture, but it doesn't emphasize it or anything. It just makes it look really nice. I never used to do this. Add color underneath my lash line. And I just feel like it makes a huge difference. It just completes the look, I feel like. Okay, so for my favorite liner, this one by Essence, and it's the Silky Nude, and it just looks like this, and it's really nice, really pigmented, and I just feel like it's even better than the NYX one, and it's half the price. And then just to contour my face, I am super in love with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I also love the chocolate Too Faced Soleil. These two are very good. Ugh, I can't open it. I'm so hungry. You guys hear my stomach? And then for my blush, I love the Milani Romantic Rose. For highlights, I absolutely love the Wet n Wild Mega Highlight Powder. This is in Precious Petals. It just looks like this. I like to spray my face first before applying the highlighter. So my favorite setting spray is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. It just gives you a nice mattifying finish. Oh, and the brush I use to highlight with is the ShopMissA AOA Studio F19 brush. It's perfect for highlighting. And when I highlight, I kind of just like swirl it so that it just blends in really nicely with my blush and it doesn't just look like a streak on my face. just going to use the same highlighter in my inner corner just to brighten that up. So for my liquid lipstick, I love the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. I really love these. And I also love the, oh yeah, this one too. This one's my favorite, the Nudie Patootie. I also like the NYX Lingerie liquid lipsticks, and they're my absolute favorite. Both of these are just so good, and they last on the lip a really long time, and they're so pigmented. I think I'm going to do something crazy today. The Flame of the Game. I really love this color. I always wear it in the house, but I never like wear it out because it's just too, it's too out there. So this is the completed look using all of my 2017 favorite makeup products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys like the chit chat videos or if you prefer a voiceover. I'd really appreciate it if you guys let me know. I just do a lot of voiceovers because usually Mike's in here just working on music. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!